Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to a faulty power button, which can lead to frustrating moments as your device becomes unresponsive. If left unaddressed, it can hinder your work and productivity, making repairs even more urgent. To successfully replace the button, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new power button, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of your Lenovo Yoga. Work your way around the edges, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is removed, locate the power button assembly, which is usually found near the hinge of the device. Gently disconnect any cables connected to the assembly, taking note of their positions for reassembly later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, with the power button assembly exposed, you will need to remove it by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. Make sure to keep these screws safe, as you will need them for the new button. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the old button out, being cautious of any nearby components. Insert the new power button into the same slot, ensuring it fits securely. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, being mindful of their orientation. Replace the screws to secure the new button in place, applying gentle but firm pressure to avoid stripping them. Before sealing the back cover, it's wise to check if the new button works by temporarily powering on the device. If it functions correctly, you can proceed to close the device by aligning the back cover and pressing it down firmly until you hear the clip snap into place. Finally, give your Lenovo Yoga a test run to ensure everything operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, always handle your device with care and avoid applying unnecessary pressure on the power button. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.